Welcome to this Twidget tutorial on databases. Twidget offers a comprehensive database solution for all workspaces. Databases contain multiple tables where your data is stored. To create a database table, first navigate to the database page. Now, click Create Table. A sidebar will open where you can enter the table name, an optional description, and tags. There is also an option to generate CRUD endpoints for this table that is enabled by default. For this tutorial, we want to disable it. You also have the ability to assign this table as an authentication table. Authentication tables store user details that are used to authenticate requests. For now, we'll leave this option disabled. We have now created a new table. Tables consist of fields that you can add or remove according to your needs. Let's click on the Add Field button to open the field sidebar. Each field has a data type that dictates the type of data it can store. The available data types are text, characters representing words or text, number, numerical value for calculations, Boolean, true or false value, date, a calendar date, object, structured data with properties, file, file information. You can also denote if a field is a list that contains multiple values or a single value field. Let's create a few new fields for this table. Now that our fields are created, let's manually add a new entry to the table by clicking Add New Entry. This adds a new row to the table with the ID and created at fields automatically populated, and the rest of the fields with null values. We can double-click on a field to open an input and add a value. Each data type provides a different type of input field. List values open up a new table page where you can add multiple values to the field. To add a new value, click Add New Entry. This creates new null values. You can edit the values the same way you would in the main table field. To return to the previous view, just click on the breadcrumb IDs in the table toolbar. Object fields are similar as they open an object page. Objects can also have fields, but by default, the fields are text fields when added via the web app. Objects stored via the no-code builder can be any data type you want. Let's add a few new entries to the table. Clicking on the checkbox next to a row shows us the Delete button. You can delete multiple rows that are selected. You can also update fields by clicking on them, which opens the Update Fields sidebar. You can edit a table by clicking on the Options button in the Table toolbar and selecting Edit Table. This opens the Edit Table sidebar. You also have the ability to delete the table in the Options menu. To summarize, Twidget's database feature allows you to create, edit, and manage tables filled with various field types to store your data effectively. You have complete control over the data structure and can easily add, update, or delete entries as needed.